We as Industrial Bureau, established in 1971, are quite concerned about quality and customer satisfaction.
No stones are left unturned when it comes to the quality of our product. Quality of raw material is minutely examined through various tests. One of such tests is carried by this advanced instrument known as spectrometer.
We have a positive customer support all around India as well as overseas. Hence, we are leading exporter in our fraternity. We are very much concerned about quality of the new material. That is the only reason we have our own ancillary unit as a steel rolling mill at Wada.
We design, we test, we manufacture.